Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard for e-commerce. Fraud prevention requires urgent attention from every business due to the significant impacts it can have on a merchant's bottom line. Protecting your revenue requires best practices, flexible tools that leverage advanced technologies like multi-factor authentication and machine learning, and automated chargeback management solutions. Triple-layered ad fraud prevention. The only fraud prevention solution offering protection across 3 levels, at the impression, click, and event levels. Click level, impression level, event level. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.